Join Mohan Shenoy on an unforgettable solo journey to Gwalior in January 2026. Get ready to explore the majestic forts, historical museums, and grand palaces. This video, brought to you by Shenoy Digital, captures the essence of a solo adventure in the historical city of Gwalior. Here's a quick overview of what you'll see. Breathtaking views of the forts, a peek into the Visitors Museum, the opulence of Gwalior's Palace, and the scenic travel moments. First up, let's explore the formidable and picturesque forts that define Gwalior's landscape. Our first clip gives you a sweeping exterior view of the majestic Gwalior Fort, a symbol of the city's rich history and architectural prowess. The second clip delves into the ancient architecture and intricate details found within the fort's impressive walls. Next, we transition from the grand exterior to the fascinating collections inside the Visitors Museum. Clip number 3 takes you inside the museum, exploring various artifacts and exhibits that tell the story of Gwalior and its historical significance. These displays offer valuable insights into the cultural and historical past of the region. Our focus now shifts to the stunning opulence of the Gwalior's Palace. Clip 4 showcases the grand and magnificent exterior of the Gwalior's Palace, a true architectural marvel. Imagine the lavish lifestyle within these walls as we admire the detailed craftsmanship of the palace. Finally, no solo trip is complete without memorable travel moments. The fifth and final clip features some fascinating scenes from Mohan's travel journey, capturing the scenery and atmosphere of getting to Gwalior. That wraps up Mohan Shenoy's solo adventure to Gwalior. We hope you enjoyed this look at the forts, palace, and journey. Don't forget to subscribe to Shenoy Digital for more travel content.